From the moment we are born, the amino acid L-arginine plays a significant part in the growth of our skeleton and the reproduction of our cells. L-arginine is a semi-essential amino acid. This means that our body produces L-arginine itself. It will produce it sufficiently until we are fully grown. After that, the body produces less and less of this amino acid, L-arginine, and the aging process starts. The consumption of L-arginine at that point, but especially at higher age, has measurable effect on anti-aging and overall body function. L-arginine qualities benefits everyone and offers a way to gain some control over the process of aging by regaining and maintaining vascular vitality, reversal of age-related symptoms of cellular metabolism, and enhances an overall sense of well-being through improved deep sleep. This deep sleep also increases your growth hormone and boosts your immune function. Recover Me and the growth hormone. As the age rises, the pituitary gland produces less and less growth hormone. As a result, the capacity to regenerate, for example connective tissue, musculature, bone tissue, wound healing, decreases. At the same time, the immune system also loses an important stimulus, T lymphocytes, which can greatly reduce the immune function and, for example, cause infections after strenuous exercise or stress. The natural inhibition to release growth hormone will be lowered, which has definite anti-aging effects over time, and there will be an increase in the production of growth hormone. Due to higher growth hormone levels, the body will remain longer in a build-up state and will therefore stay leaner with less fat storage and produces more energy. Your physical and mental performance will improve by using Recover Me. Recover Me improves the sleep pattern by increasing the level of nitric oxide in the blood. This has an opposite effect of caffeine. The body is brought to sleep more quickly. You can often sleep deeper. By taking Recover Me at night, it not only promotes the anti-aging effect but also supports cognitive ability and memory. Better memory and cognitive ability. The combination of higher nitric oxide levels in the brain and the release of the amino acid L-pedolate can bring the memory and cognitive ability of the brain to a higher level. You will experience more focus, alertness, concentration, and memory. Studies have also shown improvement of learning capabilities.
When nerves stimulate different parts of the body, they do so by releasing a chemical. Well, the major chemical in the brain that is released from many nerves is nitric oxide. And this nitric oxide is well known today to facilitate memory and learning. No question about it. This has been shown in animals, it's been shown in humans. And what we've noted now is that in memory and learning disorders, particularly Alzheimer's disease, there is a deficiency, a marked deficiency in the formation of nitric oxide in those regions of the brain that regulate memory and learning. And in fact, a number of pharmaceutical companies are developing drugs that stimulate nitric oxide formation in those regions of the brain. And the early clinical studies show that if you boost nitric oxide formation in the brain, you can restore memory and learning. So I think there's hope for everyone who's suffering from a memory and learning disorder.
Despite the great things that are being said about L-arginine, basic oral administration of L-arginine alone does not trigger all of the benefits. After the long bone growth has stopped, the body hardly absorbs arginine. Recover Me was developed under the supervision of a professor emeritus in the organic chemistry. After a lifelong successful career, he was determined to make a formula that really works. This professor has no commercial interest in this product. His main aim is to improve the quality of life of people. This makes Recover Me unique in its kind. He deliberately chose to only use ingredients of the highest standards that are scientifically proven to work well together. The formulation of Recover Me has been kept as simple as possible to avoid counter effects that often occur whenever unrelated and incompatible ingredients are blended together. The focus has always been on positive impact rather than creating an impressive label with a long list of ingredients. Recover Me is a unique blend of amino acids and a carrier that enables controlled conversion of the amino acids into nitric oxide. It maximizes the absorption of L-arginine into the body. The formulation of Recover Me is also unique in connecting several amino acids, a complex carbohydrate to prolong absorption while remaining low glycemic. The right kind of L-arginine, pidolate, the salt of L-arginine, is used, which in combination with L-lysine, the absorption of L-arginine increases. Recover Me is unique in its nighttime administration. The main reason Recover Me was developed is to offer a supplement that has scientific proven medical beneficial impact, that via nighttime use, as to cross the brain barrier, cell regeneration is optimized. For anti-aging and deep sleep effects, we don't use citrulline, but instead we added L-glutamine, which protects the stomach lining and is steps removed from converting into nitric oxide. For quality reasons, it's made in Europe, in a facility that adheres to the strictest regulatory guidelines. We use only the highest available pharmaceutical-grade ingredients to ensure consistent quality and full customer satisfaction. Recover Me will benefit everyone.